Bob, I have no time to study today.
Do you have only 5 minutes, Alice?
Yes, but 5 minutes is too short.
5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
What can I actually learn so fast?
You can learn 3 new useful words.
Okay, I will start my timer now.
Small habits create very big results later. Why are you silent in class, Alice?
I am afraid of making silly mistakes.
Perfection is the enemy of your progress.
But people might laugh at my grammar.
Smart people only care about your message.
So I should just speak and relax?
Yes, embrace your mistakes like a pro.
I will try to be brave today. English speakers talk way too fast, Bob.
You need to train your ears daily.
Should I listen to difficult BBC news?
No, start with easy stories for learners.
I find podcasts a bit boring sometimes.
Find a topic that you really love.
I love cooking and travel stories, Bob.
Then listen to English chefs every morning. Your house is full of yellow papers.
These are my new vocabulary sticky notes.
Does it help you remember the objects?
Yes, I see the words every day.
Try adding a small verb to them.
Like, open the door, or clean table.
Exactly, learn actions instead of just names.
That is a very smart upgrade, Bob. I feel lonely while practicing English alone.
Talk to the person in the mirror.
That feels a bit crazy and weird.
It helps you see your mouth movements.
Should I talk about my secret dreams?
Talk about anything for 2 full minutes.
My reflection is a very good listener.
Self-talk is the fastest way to fluency. Stop translating everything in your head, Alice.
But it is a very hard habit to break.
Start naming simple things around you first.
I see a blue pen and a book.
Good, now describe your current feelings briefly.
I feel tired but very happy now.
Soon, your brain will switch gears automatically.
I will try to live in English today. I finally watched a movie without subtitles.
That is a massive step forward, Alice.
I didn't understand every single word though.
You don't need to know every word.
The main story was very clear to me.
Visual cues help your brain fill the gaps.
I feel like a real native speaker now.
Keep pushing your limits every single week. Alice, have you listened to your own voice?
No, I am too embarrassed to record it.
It is the best way to fix errors.
Will I hear my bad pronunciation clearly?
Yes, and you can correct it immediately.
I will record a short diary entry.
Compare it with a native speaker's audio.
Self-awareness is a powerful learning tool, Bob. Phrasal verbs are my biggest nightmare, Bob.
Don't memorize long lists of verbs, Alice.
Then how can I learn their meanings?
Learn them through short and funny stories.
I get confused between up and off.
Focus on how they change the action.
I will write 3 sentences for each.
Context is the king of language learning. How much time do you spend scrolling?
Too much, I waste hours on Instagram.
Follow 5 English teachers right now, Alice.
That would turn my feed into lessons.
You will learn while you are relaxing.
I can learn a new idiom daily.
Make your environment work for your goals.
My phone is now my best teacher. What is the shadowing technique, Bob?
Repeat a native speaker instantly, like shadows.
Do I need to wait for pauses?
No, try to speak at the same time.
It helps with my rhythm and speed.
Exactly, it mimics the natural flow perfectly.
I will practice with a short video.
Your accent will improve very quickly, Alice. Are you reading any English books lately?
I tried, but the vocabulary was impossible.
Stop reading difficult academic papers then.
What should I read instead of news?
Read comic books or very simple novels.
The pictures will help me understand context.
Reading should be a joy, not chores.
I will buy a comic book today. I check the dictionary for every word.
That is killing your reading speed, Alice.
But I am afraid of missing details.
Try to guess the meaning from context.
What if my guess is completely wrong?
Your brain learns better by making guesses.
I will only check 5 words daily.
Focus on the big picture, not details. Do you have anyone to talk to?
No, I live alone and study alone.
Join an online language exchange group, Alice.
I am too shy to meet strangers.
They are learners just like you, Alice.
We can share our struggles and wins.
Community makes the hard days much easier.
I will sign up for a session. Bob, what does piece of cake mean?
It means something is very easy, Alice.
English idioms are so strange and funny.
They make you sound much more natural.
Should I learn 10 idioms every day?
No, start with just 1 per week.
I will use it in my conversations.
That is the spirit of a learner. What is your main goal for English?
I want to speak fluently and perfectly.
That is too vague for your brain.
Should I set a smaller, clearer goal?
Yes, aim to finish 1 short book.
Or maybe watch a full interview, Bob?
Specific targets keep your motivation very high.
I have my new goal for July. I still use a Turkish English dictionary, Bob.
Switch to an English one right now.
But the definitions might be too hard.
That is how you learn more words.
I will see synonyms and antonyms too.
It forces you to stay in English.
No more translating back and forth today.
You are training your brain for immersion. Try writing a short journal every night.
I don't have enough words to write.
Write only 3 simple sentences about today.
Like what I ate or who I saw.
Yes, it connects English to your life.
It feels more personal than a textbook.
Writing clarifies your thoughts in another language.
I will start my diary tonight, Bob. I still feel like I know nothing.
Look back at your progress from January.
I couldn't even order coffee back then.
And now you are debating with me.
I guess I am doing better than I thought.
Don't forget to reward yourself for progress.
I will buy a new English book.
Happiness makes learning much faster and easier. You have learned so many tips today.
I feel much more confident now, Bob.
Language is a marathon, not a sprint.
I will enjoy every step of it.
Never stop being curious about new words.
Thank you for being my English mentor.
See you at the Fluency finish line.
Let's keep practicing every single day.